May 16th, continuing with the demolition. The bedroom ceiling has been taken down. Lots of blown-in insulation came out of it. And that's what I'm cleaning up right now. I'm just shoveling the insulation into just regular trash bags. These guys. Also, I have started taking down the panels in this little den and getting ready for the new wall. I finished taking down the second chimney yesterday. It has been done all the way down. Here's the kitchen down there, dining room. So at least that's done. Here are some more bricks I need to take outside, and I still have a bunch of bricks in the attic that I need to bring down. So that's where we are. Still have to take down this plaster ceiling here in the future bedroom here. And of course I'm gonna have to take down this here, and this one needs to come down here. So there's a whole lot of things needs to be done. Obviously the bathroom needs to be done. I have the electrician coming on Tuesday to start the walkthrough and make sure we have a plan as to where everything goes. This guy here have some different insulation. I wonder why. They just shoved that in there, I guess from the attic. Yesterday the neighbor had a farm sale out there. They were bidding on a bunch of stuff. My son bought some things, some old tools and things like that. But it looks like they are cleaning it up. Maybe it's gonna be for sale. It's definitely gonna need a lot of work. That looks like a farmhouse that hasn't really been updated, other than just the roof. So my plan is to start also pulling nails out of these studs, cleaning them up, clean everything up from little pieces of insulation, kind of get the dust going away, the old dust, and then we can bring in a new dust. We're gonna have to take a look as to what joists we have to sister up. Yeah, that's gonna be a lot of work. It looks like the joists on the second floor are thinner. Let me take a look. Meaning it's not 8 inches, at least it doesn't look like. I'm gonna go ahead and measure. Maybe it's just my imagination. No, it's only 6 inches. Wow. So I'm guessing it would be maybe need to be doubled up a little bit. This is still so this joist only 6 inches for the ceiling of the bedroom. It's still up pretty low ceiling, so we can't really make it wider. The joists cannot be made wider, but I don't think we can make the joist bigger than 6 inches because of the headroom. But we may have to. I guess we're not gonna have to worry about it too much because we are not gonna really be up in the attic. It might be used for some light storage. So I guess it's good. I think the main concern is it bowed? Or if it's straight, that's to be seen. I can see up in the attic. Here it is. Okay, I guess I better go back and start back again. I mean, I made a dent. I took out all the wood slats. So far I've done 4 bags of insulation. I figure I'm probably gonna end up with 20 bags. And then there's some plaster. It seems like the plaster was kind of thin on the ceiling. Thinner than the walls, maybe. Okay, see you next time.